What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Stasiaa here, and today I will be vlogging again. Okay, now I'm actually back at a store that I said I was not going to go into, you know, anytime soon, but I'm back at Target. Okay, but yeah, so it does not look crowded in here at all. Hopefully they got some new merchandise. You know, I'm not gonna do too much with the hygiene stuff. I really just need like laundry detergent, deodorant. No, I don't need deodorant, just like laundry detergent, toothpaste, but I don't know what I might see. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take y'all along with me. My camera is on the verge of dying. Forgot to swap out batteries and stuff, so girl, let's go. Oh yeah, and I did stop at Ulta, but look, I got a little bag. Okay, I did not do the most. I just got 2 lip glosses and that's it. Literally, that's it. And one of them was on sale. I thought they was in my mind they was supposed to ring up for like 20, maybe $21 or something like that, because I thought it was $10 a piece. But turns out one of them only rang up for $5. So, you know, I told y'all we on a fixed income. We on a fixed income. We ain't playing none of that. So we gonna go up here in Target, and the most I'm spending is probably like $100, and I don't even want to spend that much. Okay, Target better not mess with me today. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead up in this store, because I do have Bible study tonight and I don't want to be late. What time is it? It is 6:07. Bible study starts at 7 o'clock. Come on, let's go. Y'all, I love Target's like t-shirts and stuff. These are only like $8 first of all, but like it's such a mess over here. Like people ramshacking the whole thing. I did fine. I got one though, this little taupe color, and then I got 2 crop tops so far. This is what I came here for. This robe. Damn, they don't even have my size. Okay, y'all, I really wanted this robe right here. This is honestly why I came to Target, because I wanted this robe. As y'all can see, this kind of looks like a linen material almost. This is like something that's definitely perfect for the spring, summertime. I love robes. They only have an extra small. Well, this is an extra small, and then they have extra large to 2X. So I definitely cannot get away with either one of those. And I wanted this cream color too. They got a medium large in the gray color. It's like a charcoal gray, but I really wanted the cream one. I don't want this. And how much is it? It's $34. Yeah, $34.99, but I don't want this color. I really don't want this color. Y'all, look at this set right here. This is made out of the same material, but it's a pajama set. Like, the top is $16.99. Let me see, the bottoms are $14.99. So that's really not bad for a pajama set, because yo, this feels so good. Then it got yellow, but definitely not a fan of that. I want the robe, y'all. I'm so mad. Y'all, so I stopped over here because I love little crop tops like these to wear in the house. Oh, these is only $3. So I think I'm gonna get all 4 of these. Y'all, these right here are literally the best bras. Don't get me wrong, I love me some Victoria's Secret. Where's the thing where you can see? Oh, it's called the Icon. I already own this one right here. I think, yeah, these are the exact same. They didn't have this color last time I came. This is really pretty. And these don't have any pattern in it either, and that's why I love them, because best believe I don't need any pattern, okay? I love these Airwick, the fresh linen scent though. I promise you that's my favorite. I haven't smelled like all of those, but I'm definitely grabbing one of these fresh linens. So y'all, I was looking for the Airwick fresh linen, well, linen and sky. That smells really good. I used to use the Bora Bora all the time, but kind of got tired of that. This heavy duty one smells really good too. But anyway, so I see the Up and Up brand, the fresh linen, and it actually does smell really good. So I'm going to grab one of these. Y'all know how I am when I'm picking out stuff. Oh, they got watermelon, peach. I bet you this right here was my favorite for a very long time. The forest kind. Well, forest scent. That smells really good. And they do have the, well, they just got Paradise. But they do got the car Unstoppables. Smells really good. Now, y'all, I'm getting me some laundry detergent. I really do love Arm & Hammer. Not that one. This Fresh Burst smells really good, and that fresh scent one smells real good, the blue one. But lately I've been loving Purex, so I think and girl, save $1 coupon, so I think I'm gonna grab one of these. We getting somewhere, girl. We getting somewhere. I already grabbed my fabric softener and my dryer sheets. So let's see what else they got. Y'all, if it's loud, it's because I'm literally right underneath this fan. But anyway, yeah. So I normally use the sensitive honey pot wipes that come in this box right here because you know they individually wrapped. But they only got the individual ones for the normal wipes. Not saying I can't use the normal, but when I'm working with my VI, I prefer to use everything sensitive. I just don't like the bulkiness of these because I like to use these when I'm on a go, like at work and stuff. So I'm gonna pass on those today. But I've seen these, the bath bombs. I've been wanting to try them, never did. If anybody tried these, let me know how they work. I don't know if I prefer the lavender. I don't really like scented stuff down there. I wish they had these in the sensitive because I would definitely try them tonight. But yeah, y'all, Target is just a mess. Like, everything is just not. Look at the shelves. And then these my pads down here that I use, but they literally only got that one pack and it was sitting there just like that. No, absolutely not. Y'all know I don't want nothing that was all the way in the front. Looked like it was thrown around, tossed around. Girl, let's go. They might not have nothing else, but look what they damn sure got. Somebody told me I was lucky because of this coconut rice milk one. They never have this, and I should grab another one just because they got it. Which they do look fully stocked. But yeah, I tried this one too, the cucumber. I really didn't care for this scent right here too much. So I'm not gonna grab it again. It's funny how now all of a sudden they got this in the store, but when I first purchased this off of Amazon, if y'all didn't watch my Amazon hygiene haul, be sure to check that out. But anyway, yeah, I never saw these in the store, so I had to order it off Amazon. Let me see if it smells the same so I know it's real. Yeah, it just, I just need the right lotion to go with that, so I honestly haven't even used it yet. It's looking real tax season in here. This look real tax time. Oh, y'all, if you have sensitive skin, but you want to, you know, exfoliate, definitely try the Dove exfoliating body. Goddamn, the Dove exfoliating body polishes, because these are very fine in texture. So they're like not as abrasive, and I like these a lot. I have that one. I have a couple of these, but that's if you're not a Tree Hut type of person, because everybody cannot use Tree Hut. Tree Hut is very harsh on the skin, especially if you're using it too frequently. But yeah, y'all, I really don't see nothing down this aisle. Maybe this is a sign I need to get from over here. Okay, I don't even know how I ended up over here, but either way, I do need some freezer bags, and they might not have much else, but I'm noticing they having more and more of the up brand, well, their store brand. So yeah, $2.79 for 40. Girl, bye. I don't need the gallon, but I'm gonna definitely get that. And I do need some parchment paper for when I be baking little stuff. So far I don't got too much. I don't got too much. It ain't looking like $100 yet, sis. So, and I hate when stuff be on the floor. Y'all that type of shopper, like when you in the store and you see stuff on the ground, you pick it up, or if something is out of place, you push it back or whatever. Y'all, I stay doing it. Y'all, I'm so sorry. My camera actually did die right after this clip. My shopping was pretty much complete anyway, so all I did was go ahead and grab 2 sweatpants that I was eyeing. Those were $20 a piece, which ended up putting me over my budget. I told y'all I only wanted to spend $100. Sis, this receipt, okay, has a $145.56, so $45 over budget, which most of that, you know, $11 did go to taxes. All right, so I didn't do so bad. But yeah, so that wraps up this video, you guys. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Mwah.